As a young girl, I never always had a phone, but I always made money. Let's talk about how I made money while we do my August reset. Making money is always a game changer and it changes everything. But in as much as we may not have all the money or all the money in the world, there are still ways we could make money either online or offline. I've had videos where I talked about how you can get jobs online. Let's talk about how I made money without my phone. See, let me tell you guys, you can always sell whether you have a skill or not. Neglecting the fact that you can always go into a small business is one very thing that people do a lot. Yes, it's technology and we're open to making money online, but what about in the early days? You could also try that. While you're trying to make money online, I'll always advise you to get a little side hustle or a little business by the side so you do not always run out of cash. Here is what I did when I was growing up in my secondary school days. When I was in secondary school, I always loved to make money, and I did that by selling. I would either sell biro that we use in school, that's like our stationery. I would sell biros, I would sell pencils. And then when I got into secondary school, when I'm in secondary school, like my senior secondary school days, I was selling chin chin. So I'll make the chin chin at home, I and my mom with my brother, and then we're going to fry it. And they supported me, and then I would take it to school. So when I get to school during lunchtime, I'll always sell this snack, and I really got business. Like my friends, there was one of my friend that I had over time. She came, she ordered in bulk, like that was my first bulk order, and I really made good money from it. So you see, here's just a little tip of how I made money. So let me know, without the phone era, have you ever made money? Let me know in the comment section while you enjoy the rest of this video.
Put my earrings, my bead, just rub this thing, even though it's finished, but there's still small thing inside. Just rub it in my beads, and that's all. Then I'll remove this scrunchie from the hair, because it's not yet time to start packing this hair like an old woman. So anyways, let me know what you guys think. I've really forgotten how to vlog but let's just call this an August reset. Like, this is just the finished look. Anything serious, so it's just very minimal. Just a girl that's going out today. So I'm just putting on this my white shirt. I hope you guys remember this shirt, and then a black leggings. I don't know if you guys can see it. So that's what I'm wearing. I don't know if I'll take a full picture, but if I do take a full picture, I'll use it as part of the thumbnail. Okay, so yeah, mainly talking. When I come back, I'll do unboxing, but just stay tuned. When I come back, I'll do unboxing. So hi. So I did my nails, as you all can see. Okay, so hi guys, I just got back from the market and it's like past 7. Everywhere is literally dark. You guys need to see the kind of setup I did. I'm using one phone touch to do this video just because I don't want to sleep and then start thinking of, oh, I have to unpack. So things are expensive, transport tripled. That's the news that I have to tell you guys. This reset is not for the weak. Things are expensive, transport did what? Tripled. But anyways, anywho, we bought food. So yeah. So we have like a whole bag right here that I want to unpack. So some are mine are not. So I'm just going to check for mine and show you guys. So like a whole bag, okay. I'm going to repeat whatever I'm doing here because I will have to post on Facebook too. Anywho, I can't give you guys prices just because I can't, but just know that things are expensive. So I wanted to get like a 2-pack of this soap. So it's 4 per pack, so it's like they're inside, my dear. You get the hook. So this was what I bought. There's nothing like I told you guys, it wasn't grocery shopping. So yeah, this is not for me, that's for my brother. Funny enough, the bag is just heavy. There's nothing inside, nothing. People don't know what's happening. People don't know. As for me, I'm having headache. It's not as if I'm eating it. So I got this this what do they call it? They call it keto sandals or whatnot. I got this for myself. Get the price of this one. It wasn't pressed, so I like selected it very well. So I just hope it goes very well. I tested it sharp, but I just hope it fits in. It was a bit tight, but yeah. I will have to put them in the cellophane because we have a whole Instagram, I mean a Facebook to edit again, so you will see me putting them back in the nylon. They are in nylons like this because I got them from different places. There is no market here. I can't go inside this thing. Okay. So got my cream. Yeah, got this. Call it a monthly reset. I know that this thing is going to. I got this. First of all, I don't have a particular perfume. I just try anyone that smells nice. I'm there for you. So I got this, and then I didn't take my phone to the market. I got the very low. Everything one no. What's the last thing that's yesterday? So I wanted to like mix body spray. I wanted to mix it, so that's why we have this stuff here. Just going to tear the nylon with it because like this now. So I got this one to add with that body spray, that oil perfume I showed you guys. Got this oil perfume to add to it, and then I got wipe. The full pack is expensive, so I got like just 5. That's like half row ahead. So if I said it well. Anywho, that's what I got from the market for myself. And things are expensive, very expensive, guys. Transport tripled. It's not the transport we used to go that we used to come back. It tripled. First of all, it doubled when we were going, and then when we're coming back, like tripled. You get that vibes? But it's not easy. So this is my bag that I took to the market, and it came back with how much? Let me show you guys so that you can send me money. It came back with just 100 naira. 100 naira. Very. Anywho, I don't even know if there's anything that's going to happen in this vlog or in this video anymore. But if there's nothing, we'll call it a day. But if there's something, of course, girl, I'm going to show you something. This video is most likely going to drop on Sunday, so stay tuned. Yeah, something is missing. I thought as much when I saw my So yeah, I got this.
These were the final parts of the vlog, and I would just like to tell you guys something for those of you who watched till the end. Don't always neglect the opportunity. Whether there's phone or not, I would always advise you to have a small business by the side, because as much as I'm trying to navigate life, trying to make money online, I'm still trying to build a good side hustle, like a side business, either a skill or you can go get some little things from shops and start selling them online. In my next vlog, probably I'm going to talk about how you can get clients online by selling your stuff. But until then, let's get going with how we can make money from the comfort of our homes with dollars. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I did myself. And sorry about the generator noise, it's where I live in and I've not gotten a microphone, but very soon hopefully we get that. So yeah, it's just a short view of the stuffs I got. Although I'm no longer in secondary school, I'm not going to make the much money I used to make. I'm currently working on strategizing and making better ways that I can earn money, and I hope you go through this journey with me.